let's be honest. Homework frickin' sucks. POV, you get home from school, you close the door, throw your backpack to the ground, go in your room and laugh at TikToks. And you call it a day. But then you wake up, do your business, get to your backpack, and see that it's still zipped up exactly the way you had it yesterday. And that can only mean one thing: you didn't do your homework. Partly because it slipped your mind, but deep down, you know you just wanted to avoid it. And that's a slippery slope that many students fall in. And many of those students have the feeling, the 3 a.m. motivation to turn their life around and get their things together. There's just one problem with that though: the inevitable feeling of being overwhelmed. To those students, I recommend you to practice 3 things. 1. Stepping out of your comfort zone. 2. Self-awareness. And 3. Discipline. Oftentimes, the first hurdle that come in people's way is just starting. And if you can find that 3 a.m. motivation just one more time just to be able to start, you're in the right direction. But there's always a bigger fish to fry. Once you find your path, it's not like all your problems just suddenly disappear. The feeling of being overwhelmed will still pop up, and this is where you need to be self-aware. Notice when you start to feel a little buried. Then it's the time to take a step back, take a break, and look at the bigger picture. Lastly, doing all this can be hard, but doing it consistently can be a lot harder. And that's where discipline comes into play. Some days will be harder than others, but keeping up to date, keeping things together, and staying disciplined will be worth it in the end. Not just with homework. Looking at the bigger picture, homework is just great practice.